So now that we have our tool assembled, I'm going to explain you just a little bit how to place the wood. So we use 3mm plywood. In the tool, these magnets are included. So normally you can just attach them to the plywood and then put them in the box like this. But I have decided to purchase this laser engraving platform, which is in metal. And I think it's better because I was wondering at first, how come, see my first project, it lasers below to the metal plate. And I didn't think it was normal, but I contacted xTool and they said it actually is normal. So it's normal usage, but I don't like it. So I purchased these. Then you just put it in. Make sure you don't touch these circles anywhere. And then I'll just put the plywood on top of it. And that's all you have to do. It's now ready for my next project. You see it's already cut out. I already did one small project to test it out, but I'll show you the rest. So we're here in atom.com. This is a software by xTool. And what I'm going to make today, my second project actually. Let's look for it. So you have Atom and go with Atom and go look for anything you like. They have, in my case, they have all kinds of projects, miniature projects and dollhouse kits even. You know, it all looks so nice. But today I've decided to show you a very simple project, this miniature wooden garden bridge, because I needed one for quite some time now in my fairy garden, and I'll just varnish it and put it in my miniature garden river, actually over it. So all you have to do, it's very easy. Once you've installed their software, you just open it up in xTool. And there you go. There's the project. There's a project. So your xTool M2 should be connected. If that's not the case, you can go here and reconnect it with your USB. All right. So as you can see, the camera sees what's inside, and this wooden form is. So when the tool is connected, you can see our new project covers our former project, because what you see here is what the camera sees, and the camera sees our former project below this one. But I'm going to use the rest of the wood because I have plenty of wood left over to print my new project, so I'm not using a new piece of plywood. What I'm going to do is move those pieces and see if they still fit the plate, to see if I still have room left for my second project, like this. As you can see, this project overlaps the one underneath it, so what I do is just select everything, and then you can just move it up And now it's going to print here on the wood instead of the holes of the previous project. Then we just click Start. And the machine starts measuring. It's now completed. And we can see here unknown material we have to choose. In our case, we are using basswood plywood. Just push apply. So then we can have the engrave settings. The engraving means the pattern on the slates of the bridge. And you can adjust the power, the speed, the air assist. I'm going to have the air assist a bit higher. Speed a bit lower, but you can choose. So that's what I'm going to do. For the cutting, I think I'll keep it that way. High air assist I think is important for laser cutting wood. And then we go on to processing. Check before processing, then it calculates how much time it will take. Wow, half an hour, that's a lot, but okay. And there we go. Do not leave your device unattended. And then you just press the button on the machine. Ready to go. That's it.